Yo, so we're back again. Probably seeing them clips thinking, where is Big P this time? I am in a camping place which is wicked. I've been coming here for years. I've got the tents out up, you already seen. I got my little camp I'm going to show you in a second. But yeah, stay tuned because this one is going to be completely different from any of the other kind of videos I've done. So yeah, stay tuned for the pure fire as always. Boom, here we are, is my camp. Got the fire going already, of course. And this is what this place is all about. An authentic wagon. Got the authentic units, 1800 cowboy Wild West style. Yeah. And this is actually going to be a little project I'm going to be working on over the winter. Restoring this thing. Got loads of work to do to it. So yeah, stay tuned for the series. As you can see, these wheels are done out, need replacing. All the sides all rotten. Completely done out, needs replacing. So yeah, stay tuned. Boom, still got the fire going. Just having a little clear out in here, so then tomorrow I can start repairing this thing, getting all the junk out of here. All this is all going to come up. This is going to be replaced. This one here is going to be replaced. All the front's going to be replaced. So yeah, it's a lengthy little project. Stay tuned. Boom, here we are. I've assessed the situation. A couple of things need replacing, like that wheel. All that side, I've taken that off. Needs replacing. Some of these beams in here might need replacing. Just, it's gonna be mad. Yeah, I've got to stay tuned for the process. Trust the process. Boom, that's it for today. Gonna do some more on the wagon tomorrow. Tear it apart a bit more. And yeah, stay tuned for the adventure. Boom, second day now, Saturday. I'm just gonna start taking all this out, taking all this carpet and all this stuff out of here. I'm just gonna get on with it and crack on. So yeah. Everything that was in here is not out. Some of these are okay, they might need replacing. One or two of them's a bit weak. Honestly, all this here needs replacing. Obviously this one here, like I said before, this here is absolutely rotten. Yeah, stay tuned. Now look, got all the front off. Bit here, you can see it's all rotten there in the corner. There's a couple more rotten pieces that need to come off. Fair bit of work, I tell ya. Working hard, got all this done, got the front done. It's a lot stronger now than what it was. Straighten up the axles, the wheels are straight. You see, don't worry about that, don't watch that. The side still needs to be done, and the other side, the front here, still needs to be done. But yeah, it's coming along, it's coming along. Well, that's it for today. Got all this all done now. Next time I come down, I'm gonna redo that opening there with a bit of ply. Start on the bed on the inside there. But now it's time to start the fire because I am starving. Wow, there we have it, people. Just done finishing that video. Next time I go down there, I'm going to show in detail more of what the place is all about, all the buildings, the town itself, So yeah, stay tuned for that one, because that one's going to be interesting. Like I said in the video, it's something different. If you like it, you like it. Make sure you like and subscribe, because nothing but pure fire all day, every day, all the fucking time. You get me? So yeah, next time it's going to be lit. Gotta get some wheels made, maybe over the winter. Hopefully before Easter they'll be finished. And I'm going to try go down there at least once a month, film a video, make a little series out of this. It's going to be cool. It's going to be lit. It's going to be pure fire. So yeah, make sure you like, comment and subscribe.